A little late night action. Why not? Hey, what the fuck are you guys doing? Dude, you're so fucking odd. Look at this guy, bro. Just fucking sitting there, like, you're so bad. Holy shit. How many people is there in there just stacking? Dude, like, I play late night and I'm playing the Avengers. Like, all these guys just got off their 9 to 5s. Stacking like fucking crazy. Should be illegal to stack this much. Dude, are you fucking serious? Our ass. What the hell just happened? Oh, he's above me. What the hell is that? Can you die? Thanks.
Headed your way. Enemies are dropping into the area. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Still, marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
Three kills, we take it. Dude, I think that's Nate Scar. The guy I killed over there? I think that's Nate Scar from another video. That's the user guy. From I think my I don't remember what video it was. It was a recent video though. It was a Twitch stream I ran into.
soldier incoming.
It is him. I knew it. I knew it.
Got 10 squads active in the field.
Nail gun action. On like the fucking worst player in the game. He doesn't even know where he's getting shot from.
25 remain. Inbound. Target marking the rest of them. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tack map. Get hunting.
I hope he doesn't get wiped, Loki. Oh yeah, it was my striker video. I remember now.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
My striker plus settings video is where the user guy's from.
Yo, I'm so bad. It's insane. I'm getting shot by a whole different team and I die immediately.
Show that bitch.
We've located the rest of them.
Like, what the hell was that person doing? Bro, I'm not trying to go in the buy station. Of course, I just spent all my money and then the fire cell goes off. I always forget when the fire cell goes off.
Bro, where am I getting shot from? Oh my god, we're getting freaking double team.
Oh my freaking god, dude.
Bro, what? Nah, I just get freaking double team. That's crazy.
Damn, you guys suck. Yo, I'm sorry, I can't fucking hear shit.
No!
Holy shit. I don't think user left the game yet. I think we're good.
Absolutely like.
Yo, it's user. It's user.
Marking the rest of that.
Yo, user, I'm on 34 kills, bro. Let me get the gameplay, man. Yo. Yo.
Demon.
Yo, Nate Scar, bro.
He's a demon. Yo, the real my boy. I appreciate the follow. Aydan, I appreciate the follow. Benji, I appreciate the follow. Ah! Yo.
Oh, who popped the decoy right there? 'Cause you're a bitch. Yo, there's so much going on. What is going on?
There. If you want to come up top, we have top.
Nate Scar, Nate Scar, Nate Scar. Team up with me, bro.
Top, baby.
Nate Scar, I'm on the gameplay. I'm on the gameplay.
Okay, come up top. Come up top. Come up top. I'm right behind.
Nate Scar, can you let me get the gameplay if we
Yeah,
win?
I'm up here. Yeah.
I'm on 35, bro.
Can you hear me?
I'm gonna get
You
a
hear
quick
me,
40.
right? You can hear me,
Yeah,
right?
I can hear.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, go crazy, bro. Go crazy. You know what? I'll
Dude,
let
this
you
gun
know
has
if
the
someone's
worst
shooting
bullet
behind you or some
velocity.
shit. Oh, there's someone behind you. W.
Yo, best gameplay ever, bro. We ran into this guy for like the second time in 1 week.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That boy's so sexy.
How many kills are you on?
You know, I just kind of been vibing out. We just got, you know, a nice little 10. Nice little 10 piece.
I'm on 37 right now. I'm about to get a quick 40.
Yeah, that's crazy. You going crazy.
Hold that throwing knife, bitch. Oh, imagine that hit. Hold on, I have this. You want to land it on him? Never mind.
We got someone behind us.
He just took our position. Yo, you're not having that zip, my boy.
That's fine.
Just keep watching over there. And we're good.
Yep. I'm pushing forward.
Alright, you push forward. I'm gonna hold this kid prison. Don't die, Nate.
I'm not. Don't
Where
worry,
you
baby.
at?
I won't die. I begin.
Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you.
Yep.
Oh, right in front of you. Dead.
Oh, behind you. Shit, bro. That shit was a little bit.
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? I'm on 40.
Same spot.
I got the 40 bomb.
Okay, W.
We on the 40.
Massive wins. He's above us.
Hey guys,
I'm buying a
Hey, what
UAV.
up,
Hold up.
beautiful? We're doing great.
you want a team, man? Hey,
Yo, there's so many people underneath us.
No.
There's 2 people up here.
please. Okay,
Yep.
that was my teammate. Hey man.
Your
stop
teammate's gonna
shooting me.
die. You're gonna die too, brother.
Yeah, kill
Sorry.
my teammate then. Hey, I'm
Nope,
not
you're
about
gone.
to- Oh, you little butt. I'm gonna.
Aw.
you
You tried
Ah.
lying to me too?
You
You're a
killed me.
pathological liar, little man. You just tried saying you weren't on top of there.
Yeah, you're a little liar, boy.
That's crazy.
You're gonna die
You're a
now.
liar, little
Can't
man.
do anything, man.
He's climbing up the ladder.
Dude, we got one coming up. Yup. Oh, nobody's rezzing you, little man. You're a pathological liar.
Yeah, bitch. Sit the fuck down. Fuck. What happened?
Oh, there's 2. Oh, shit. Oh, no, there's 2. I'm gone, my boy. It's up to you, brother. No, wait, no, it's not. Oh. Holy shit, bro.
What, you're dead? Wait, Nate. It's me,
Yeah,
it's me.
baby. It's me,
Yo,
baby.
I'm on 42.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't want to end it this way.
Okay.
Hold
Let's
on.
fist fight it. Let's fist fight it. Let's fist fight it.
Let's fist fight? Dude,
Yeah, I mean, you
Fuck
might as
it.
well, right?
dude,
That's what I
bro,
mean,
we
how
have
do
to
you
script
wanna
this.
end it?
Bro, we have to script this. I'm on 45, bro. I better win this game. If I don't win this game, I'm gonna be mad.
That's what I'm saying. Well,
Better
don't
let
lose
me
to
get first
Don't lose
hit.
to me then.
Better let me
Don't
get first
listen to
hit.
me.
I'm gonna be mad. All right, let's go.
I got these. YouTube, ready? Cue music. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. Bring this shit on. Come on, where you going? Come on, little soft man. Oh, you jumping? You diving? Come on. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. What do we do? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. You look kind of cute when you slide into my DMs like that. Hold up. Hold up, baby. Baby. Oh my god. Oh, he's hitting me.
Come here. You're dying.
Oh my god, bro. Why are my punches not down? No. I'm soft palms, baby. Oh my goodness, yo. Oh my goodness, yo. He deserved that.
Yo, that is the best 40 bomb ever, bro. That needs to go down in history books. How many kills was that? 46? Hey, we take that. We take that. 46 and we won a boxing match for the win. Yeah.